Hello guys, let's talk today about this Amcrest camera. It's a 5 megapixel camera, which means it has high resolution. You can zoom in and see more details. It's an outdoor camera, IP camera that you can connect to your router, to your switch and see from your phone. And it's incredible because it has night color, which is very good. Because when you're at night, for example, in a dark place, you see colors in you don't see colors, you see the image in black and white, usually, right, with a regular camera. Not with this one. With Amcrest, you can see color at night because the sensor here, the electronics are prepared to do that, okay? So it's pretty good. Let's see what else the camera have. It has a built-in mic, so somebody close to the camera can talk close to the camera and you can hear, you can record audio as well. It has human and vehicle detection, perimeter protections, IP67 for weatherproof, so you can install the camera outdoors, right? And flexible storage, which means you can record on a card, you can record on the cloud, or you can also record on your computer or any device that records, such as NVR, for example, okay? So pretty good one. Okay, I've been working with camera for more than 20 years. I'm an expert on cameras and I see that is a good one, okay? And also works with H265 compression, okay, which compress the video a lot. It's a protocol, it's a standard that compress the video a lot. Not a protocol, but a codec, right, that compress the video a lot. Works also with wide view angle. So basically the camera has 129 degrees to view as a wide view angle, right? And also WDR, which stands for wide dynamic range, so you can see the difference between a dark area and a bright area, okay? So WDR can compensate for that and you have an overall image that's good, not that dark and not that bright, right? So pretty good. Let's just take a look at this device here. Let me just open it up. Okay, so here we have some documentation that comes with the camera, a quick start guide with all the information that you need. Okay, some redeem codes. Okay, so you can follow Amcrest on social media, things like that, right? So I'm more interested on the camera itself. So here have also a template so you can install your camera. And here we go. All right, so it comes with this tool so you can open the camera. Some screws and anchors so you can install your camera. And here is the camera itself. Let's take a look. Here we go. It comes in this plastic. Let me just open it up. And here we have the camera itself, okay? So it's a turret camera. It has this format here. So you can move in different positions, install your camera like this onto a wall, and you can move, right? And then you have here in the center the lens of the camera, and here some lights. Okay, probably one of them is infrared, so you can see the dark. Another one is just to illuminate the area. I'm just guessing here at first, okay? But usually that's the way it works. I can take a look at the menu and make sure that's the case, okay? And here you have cable. Usually you can connect your Ethernet cable. Here we go. You can connect your Ethernet cable here and you can power the camera from here using PoE, power over Ethernet. So you don't need extra power supply, but it also comes with this option. As you can see here, you can connect the power supply here. It's 12 volts in. So I have the details here. It's written here, 12 volts. So you can also use a power supply, right? So pretty good. And here information in the quick start guide. You can have your camera installed. It's also a camera that works with AI, okay? So it's an intelligent camera. You can have analytics, right? Of course, we see that on the box with the details, right? So here you can set up your camera, connect it to your cell phone. You can connect to the Amcrest cloud and your mobile and make it work. Okay, so pretty easy to set up. You basically just start an application on your cell phone and you can get the camera up and running and working. So pretty easy to install. Okay. Okay, that's it guys, that's all for this unbox, and later I'm gonna make more videos about it, showing how to set up the camera and how the camera works, okay? So at first it's a good product, I'm just unboxing here, but I have another Amcrest cameras around and I trust them, okay? So usually it's a good product and usually I recommend Amcrest cameras.